Hey creative cubs, let's draw cute Christmas candy cane together. This is a super easy step-by-step drawing and I am drawing it along with my 8-year-old so kids can easily follow and enjoy. Grab your papers and colors and let's start. We start by drawing an inverted J shape. First make the round loop on the top and then drag a straight line downwards to the bottom. It looks like a slanted inverted J. And that's perfect. This will be the base of our candy cane. Now draw one more J shape parallel to the first one. This helps our candy cane look thick and 3D, just like a real candy stick. Now join the open ends at the top to form a smooth curve. Later, join the open ends at the bottom as well. Yay! Now it looks like a candy cane. Now we'll make the ribbon band and bow. To add a ribbon, draw a small band around the candy cane. Now from that band, we'll draw one loop on the left and now we'll draw the other loop on the right. This gives us a cute bow shape. Now we'll draw two raindrop shaped loops to show the ribbon is round and tight. Now to make the bow look real and 3D, we'll add a few lines on the bow to show the wrinkles and folds. Now let's add the hanging bow ties. Draw two hanging lines coming down from the bow, just like when we tie a ribbon. At the bottom of hanging ribbons, draw V-shaped ends and join them neatly. Add a few wrinkle lines on the hanging part too. Wow, that bow looks so fancy now. Now we draw curved lines across the cane. These lines will become the red and white stripes and also make the candy cane look 3D and twisty. Now it's time to color. Color the bow green, color the candy cane red and white. You can also bolden the outline by adding one more layer of sketch pen to make the drawing pop. And we are done. Great job, little artists. Keep drawing, keep smiling, and keep creating with Creative Cubs Art. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and easy drawings for kids. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.